Okay, if f of x is equals to 2x minus 1, g of x is equals to x plus 1 divided by 2 for all x belongs to R, find g circle f of x. Okay, so here in this question, what is given? So first writing the given data. So 2x minus 1 is f of x function, g of x is given as x plus 1 by 2. Okay, so he is asking to find the g circle f of x, g circle f of x. Okay, so that means g of f of x, g of f of x. So in this g of f of x, okay, what in place of f of x, okay, whatever the function we have f of x, write that function as this. Okay, this f of x I am replacing with f of x function. Understood? After that, after that, okay, g of x it is in the form of g of x. What is g of x function? Go to that function, that is x plus 1 by 2, g of x function. In place of x, we have to write this. Okay, so I kept empty here, x plus 1 by 2. What is in place of x? This 2x minus 1 in place of x. Here we have x. Okay, so here we have x and here we have x. Okay, in place of x, we have 2x minus 1. Okay, write this 2x minus 1 in place of x. Okay, so now this becomes 2x minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so now just cancel this plus 1 and minus 1. Okay, so that we get to 2x by 2. Okay, so cancel this 2 and 2. Cancel the 2 and 2. Okay, if we cancel the 2 and 2, we get x. This is the answer. This is the final answer. Okay, so next, if you take this question, if f of x is equals to 1 by x and g of x is equals to root x, okay, for all x belongs to 0 to infinity, then find g circle f of x. What is given? F of x for 1 by x and g of x is root x here. Okay, what he is asking? He is asking to find g circle f of x. That means g of f of x. Okay, so after that, what we do? G of f of x. What is in place of f of x? Take that function and replace in the f of x function. Okay, f of x means, okay, 1 by x. Just replace. Okay, so f of x. Now g of x. What is g of x? What is g of x here? G of x is root x. Okay, under root of x. Okay, in place of x, what we have? Okay, so in place of x, we have 1 by x. Here 1 by x. Okay, so here x means root x. Here 1 by x means root of 1 by x, we write. This 1 by x we are going to replace in place of the x function. Okay, root of 1 by x. Okay, so that means the final answer is, we can write it as 1 by root x. That root 1 is 1 only, so we get 1 by root x. Understood?
Sir, can you repeat again?
Yes. Here f of x is equals to 1 by x. G of x is root x. Okay. What he is asking? He is asking g circle f of x. G circle f of x is nothing but, if you remove that circle, g of f of x. G of f of x. Okay. That means g of f of x. Whatever we have inside, okay, that function we replace with that given function. Okay, so that means here I have f of x function. This f of x function value is given 1 by x. Just replacing here g of f of x means I am replacing f of x value as 1 by x. Okay, so after that, again g of x. What is g of x here? Okay, so g of x is given as root x. G of x is root x. So in place of this x, here we have 1 by x. G of x means root x. In place of x, we have 1 by x. This 1 by x we are going to replace in place of the x in the g of x function. Means root of x means 1 by x. X means 1 by x. Okay. now here root 1 and root x. Root 1 is 1 and root x is as usual. Root x is as usual. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next question. Here f of x is equals. Okay, if you have any doubt, you will get clarity here. Okay, so this question is also related to that. Similar, all these three are similar here. Okay, so what is given here? F of x is equals to 2 and g of x is equals to x square and h of x is equals to 2x. And then find g circle f circle, f circle g circle h of x. Okay, here he is asking f circle g circle h of x. Okay, so if you remove this bracket here, f of g of h of x. Okay, in this always remember, okay, will come out from inside. Means whatever the function is complete inside. Okay, first we'll substitute that value. Okay, means here we have h of x function. Take the h of x function value, just replace this h of x function value in place of that function. Understood? Okay,
Okay.
so that means f of and g of h of x. What is h of x? Just replace that 2x, right? That 2x in place of the function. Okay, so now after this, so f of g of x again. Okay, what is g of x function? Just to check that function. Just check the function. G of x function is x square. So x and whole square. What is in place of x? 2x.
4x2.
Okay, so I am writing the 2x whole square. 2x whole square. Yes. Okay, 2 square and x square. That means 4x square. Now come to f of x function. Understood? They are coming out. Okay, from one function to another function. Okay, f of x function. What is f of x function? F of x is equals to 2. Is there any variable x there? Okay, so there is no x. If you have x, we are going to replace this x with 4x square. But there is no x. There is no x. So that's why 2. In place of x, we have to substitute this 4x square. But there is no x. There is no x. That's why. So this final answer is 2 only. Means whatever the functions, whatever the elements we take, okay, whatever the elements we take here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever it is, final answer is 2. Means all the elements mapped to the 2 only. This is constant function. Okay, whatever the number, the image is 2 only. This function is called constant function. We have single, okay, image. Single image. Understood? Okay. Till here, do you have any doubt?
No.